everyone. I'm starting the vlog today with no makeup. I look awful. This is not actually my skin, by the way. It's pregnancy skin.
And that's why you're covering your chin.
Yes. It's pregnancy skin. My skin is not normally like this. However, Andrew didn't go to work today because he was lazy. He woke up at 9 o'clock.
I was not lazy, my alarms failed me.
Your alarms did not fail you because I set my alarm for him on my phone, and he also has a phone that he sets it up for. So it's laziness. But yes, anyway, I shall pass you to my significant other.
Yes, good morning everyone. I've also got a bad chin this morning, just like Lauren, so.
You can't blame it on pregnancy.
But yeah, the weather's terrible today. And it's chucking it down. It's supposed to be chucking it down all day.
But I went to the shop and
it's a good job I'm staying in. Yeah, Lauren went to the shop, got us some Rustler's burgers, and me a nice cold Frappuccino mocha.
And I got.
Did you get yourself one?
Cold.
Yazoo. Yes. So gonna get the vlog sorted and then sort things out.
Wow, what are you doing? You dancing?
Yeah.
Come over here and dance to Mummy then.
Okay.
Oh. Oh wow, well done. You're beautiful, aren't you?
Do a shot.
What?
I do a shot.
Door shut?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bang.
What?
I do a bus, 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 bus. You ride around.
Oh. Down. You can sing. Sing.
Yes, but stay round, round, round. I just want to
Wow, you're really good at singing. What? No, because who's coming round today?
That what you want to know, baby.
Who is coming round today? Your cousin's coming round.
Yes. Asina.
And Sammy.
Sammy.
Lou.
You.
Good girl. You excited?
Yes.
Good girl.
Daddy's excited.
Daddy's excited as well, isn't he?
Yes. Mummy's excited.
Your mummy's excited. What are you doing?
Mummy,
I can see you.
I have a bus.
Yeah, go on then. Sing it.
Sing a bus, sing round, round and round, round and round. Sing a bus, sing round, sing on. Happy king, bus, 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 sauce. Do it, stop.
Yeah. Right, so see you soon.
Soon. Bye.
There is a river running down the street.
Yeah.
Crazy, isn't it, Jones?
Yeah.
scary?
Yeah.
Lots of rain, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm scared.
You're scared of it?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Away.
Go away, rain.
Away, rain. Finding on.
What a yucky day. It's been hard to film much all day because it's been like this most of the day, so I've just been sitting there not doing a whole lot of nothing because I can't exactly go out anywhere with it like this. So yeah, it's not a perfect day. We've got Lauren's family coming over in a minute. Won't film them because we won't be putting them on the internet because we respect their wishes. We don't want them there.
My main cousin around today.
Your cousins are coming around, yeah.
Yeah, on the back.
So yeah, what a great day this is. It's lovely rain. It's horrible. What can we do?
Bye.
Waving bye to them.
Yeah, bye.
Bye, cousins.
Bye, cousins. On cousins.
They're your cousins. Yeah, they're gone now, haven't they? They've been playing with the kindies.
No one cousin.
Oh no, they're going now. You see them soon, won't you? In a couple of months. Oh, Lauren. Oh, Rosie, it's okay, darling. It's okay. You wave goodbye, don't you? Yeah? You wave. Look, Rosie, they're waving.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Good girl. That is one damp little cat. You don't like the rain, do you, Bobby? You've been out all day. Oh, off he goes. Look at the state of your fur, mate. You're not having a good day, are you? What about you, Marley? You've just been in all day. You've been smart. It's still horrible out. Time for dinner, though. Thank you very much, Jones. That looks lovely, darling.
Can you get my drink? Where's my drink?
Where's my drink? Are you watching them feed ducks, Rosie? Yeah, you enjoying it? Is that the R family?
Nice cat.
Yeah. Where are we going now, darling?
On Star Pop.
We're going in the Star Pub.
Yeah?
That's going to be nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's horrible outside, so we're going to get a nice warm shower, yeah? You dancing again. I'd be able to show you dancing, but you're a bit naked, love, so...
Dad.
Let's go in the Star Pub then, darling, yeah?
Okay, no.
Travis, if you're watching, inspired by Ollie, Rosie just tried to drink bathwater. Did you try and drink bathwater? Are you naughty? It's yucky, isn't it? No, you don't want to drink. What did you do? You drank bathwater, didn't you?
Yeah.
That's Daddy's bathwater too, you know. That's yucky. Don't you do it again. I can see that tongue out. Yucky. So other than drinking bathwater, it's another pretty good Star Pup from Rosie. She did very well. She's getting very well behaved in there, and she has a nice little laugh and a play with me. Unlike before where she used to just kick off quite a lot. She's been well behaved in the Star Pup, Lauren. Yeah, she's a good girl in Star Pup.
Oh, she hasn't been all day.
No, you can tell them if you want.
So Rosie's been moody all day. She's been throwing tantrums. I thought she was coming down with something because she has been sneezing quite a lot, and I feel really head coldy. But my dad thinks it's hay fever, so that's what I'm hoping it is. But my head hurts now because I've been playing the PlayStation.
That's everything for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to leave a big thumbs up. Not down, Lauren. Don't bend your arm, that's disgusting. Freak. And leave a comment today saying what do you do on rainy days?
You're hurting my ribs.
Is that a good one?
Yeah.
Ow. But goodbye everyone. Lauren say Lauren say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Rosie. Say bye bye. Say bye bye.
Bye bye.
You gonna give a kiss?
Bye.